Right, hello, this is the first video I'm recording illustrating the rules to my superhero mega game, Who Will Watch Them. It's the first one I'm recording, but it might not be the first one I put up, and this one's looking at the map. I'm only doing rules for the highly mechanical map game rather than the talky parts, because there aren't really any rules for those. As you can see, well, you probably can't see, this is a map of Long Island, which probably isn't very familiar to you. There are three maps covering New York, Long Island, Manhattan and the Jersey Shore type area. Each map is divided into several areas. As you can see, there's an area here which is Coney Island. You can see that, yep. And then there's Bay Ridge here, and then Brooklyn, which you probably can't read. Yeah, Brooklyn up there. Each area is further subdivided, well, not subdivided, but has a number of locations within it which represent the sort of locations in that area. So I've got a less playtest version of the map here, which shows the locations in Coney Island. So there we go, that's Coney Island, as good as it's going to get. So we've got the funfair here. So each area's got a name, a number which is for randomizing them, a damage value which is how valuable it is. So if there's any collateral damage, that indicates that how expensive it would be to repair. Casualties, similarly, if there's collateral damage that causes casualties, how severe the casualties are likely to be. And a security rating. So the damage of the casualties both range from 1 to 5. Security rating, which is colour-coded yellow, orange and red, although the colours are just a letter. And yellow is like low security, which probably isn't of interest to any superpowered criminals. Orange is sort of high security, and red is very high security, and red's generally reserved for sort of plot-related elements. So this is orange 1 security, so it's like a bank might have. The strip mall has got yellow 1, so it's just not much of interest there, and the garage is yellow 2. The number, the letter shows the difficulty of the security to overcome if you were to commit crimes there for some strange reason, and the number shows the number of those cards you have to overcome. The map also has, the big map also has some other boxes on it. These are the ready boxes for injured superheroes. This is a playtest map, and it's changed slightly, but you have a box for when you play a card, you place it here, and every turn it'll move forwards one box, and when they're in the ready box you can recover them and replay them. Damage cards go up here, and so they take more turns to come back to be replayed. So damage is just cards out of play for a while. There's also another box here, very, very professional, which tracks crime, damage and casualties on the map turn by turn. That's going to be printed on the map in the final version. The details of the map are mostly for chrome and colour, rather than actually having much mechanical impact apart from those, the damage and casualty values. The security ones are relevant if you're going to go and commit crimes, which I'm sure none of you would. These blue cards are crime cards generated by the underlying non-superpowered AP criminal element, and generally each area on the map will generate a crime card each turn for the vigilantes to deal with, and the police if there's any left over. Okay, that's the map covered, I hope. Bye now.